everybody! Today we're gonna spray Toby with water! No! Today we're gonna review the Slip Inside Dunk Tank. Came with 2 balls, and I'm gonna hit the target and spray Toby. Now it's my turn to get Wyatt. Missed. Missed. Yay, I didn't get sprayed. Get me. He didn't get it. Yay. Wait a minute, Toby didn't hit it. Hey. I rate this 1 out of 10 because this really blows over a lot, and when these balls aren't wet, they don't really affect. The hose never connected, so we can never use it right. We just have to have the baby spray us with the hose every time. Hey! Hey, you cookie! No! I do not recommend buying this toy. It is a piece of junk. Hey! Oh no! If you want more water videos, please click like and write in the comment section if you've ever been in a dunk tank. Actually, I haven't, but I've been wanting to my entire life.